Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate these cute Rilakkuma nails. Start off by painting all of your nails a sheer pink. Use brown paint or polish to make a horizontal oval at your cuticle. Use the same brown to make the tops of the ears. Fill in the ears with a pastel yellow. Make a smaller white oval at your cuticle. Make black dots for the eyes and nose and then add the mouth underneath. Add 3 diagonal pink lines underneath each eye as a blush. Use the same pink to make a heart above the bear. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!